Quick review. When you have two words with third tones next to each other, that word becomes second third tone. When you have
不
or
一
followed by a word with first, second or third tone
不
or
一
become fourth tone.
不一
If you have
不
or
一
followed by a fourth tone word
不
or
一
becomes second tone.
不一
Final rule. In the last video, we told you about words that have two third tones next to each other. But what would happen if you had three third tone words? Let's talk through the rule with some examples. Example 1. A single syllable word followed by a double syllable word.
李老板
The tone of the single syllable word doesn't change. In this case,
李
is a surname. The double syllable word follows rule 2 and changes to second and third tone.
老板
Example 2. A double syllable word followed by a single syllable word.
老板早
The double syllable word changes to second and second tone.
老板
The single syllable word doesn't change.
早
This means, good morning, boss. Example 3. Three single syllable words. You can choose between third, second, third, or second, second, third. The world is your oyster.
我想买我想买
It's practice time. Try and pronounce the three third tone words.
炒米粉买手表米粉少小姐好我想讲我想讲你也有你也有
Thanks for watching. We always respond to comments, so if you're stuck or having trouble with Mandarin, please let us know. If you'd like to support our videos and podcasts, then check out our Patreon page for some exclusive perks. Oh, and if you haven't, click on the subscribe button and that little bell as well. 谢谢你